my god, look at this pretty bitch. Look at her. Oh my god.
Yeah, she's like hot as hell. Oh my gosh, she's like online now. Look at her and her best friend.
Really, dude. Look at her. She's worth $2,000 something dollars. What the? I'm not even worth that much. Period. Look at. Ooh, let's go to her fucking best friend's page.
Yeah, let's write this bitch.
Let's write this bitch and tell her how stupid she is or something. Cause I'm not feeling good. Don't make me cry, Amanda.
Oh, it's okay, sweetheart.
You know I fucking love you, dude.
I love you too.
We just can't be as fly as them. Maybe you can get Johnny back if we change like them.
Yeah, maybe you can.
If we
maybe I can.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at this pretty bitch. I can't stand her ass. What the fuck?
Oh my gosh.
I swear she's just so fucking
Bree, we need to stop this now. We can't keep on looking at her. There's no way we can get like that.
I mean, look at this.
There's no way we can get like her.
Look at this. My IQ is
oh my god.
85.